Hi, today I will show you how to receive money with Zelle on TD Bank. So, first step is making sure Zelle is set up. Open the TD Bank mobile app and log into online banking. Go to transfers, click send money with Zelle. If you haven't used Zelle before, complete the quick enrollment. Add an email or a US mobile number. Then agree terms and verify. Once enrolled, Zelle will be linked to your TD Bank account. Now, step 2 is giving your sender info. So tell the person sending you money the email address or phone number you used to enroll with Zelle at TD Bank. Zelle can only send money to the exact contact you register. Now, step 3 is receiving the money. When someone sends money via Zelle, if the sender uses a registered email or phone number, the funds go directly into your TD Bank account. You don't need to accept the request. Money deposits instantly. You'll receive a notification from TD Bank or Zelle once the transfer hits your account. Now, if someone sends you money but you haven't signed up for Zelle with TD Bank, you'll receive a text or email from Zelle. Tap the link, follow the steps to enroll with the same phone or email. Once enrolled, the transfer will complete and show up in your account. Important tips: money sent via Zelle is usually instant. Double check the sender before confirming. Zelle payments are not reversible once sent, like a cash payment. Use only trusted contacts, especially with large amounts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next one.